na Monique na Festina status for WhatsApp. Now you for see everything. Oh God, I can't believe what I'm seeing. Oh God, it's not true. Oh God, it is true. Oh God, it is this. I don't get a live video on the Wake Club video. Or what live video, Sharon is gone. Because who will not believe? If somebody like Festina says it, you will believe. Because Festina is a close friend to Sharon. Inside all this one, so we were they go hospital. We they go hospital every day. They can't cause confusion saying now we wait they go hospital and I carry the matter go social media. Whereas now Festina and I carry enter social media, but they can't say now we carry enter social media. They can't they accuse one of Sharon's friend. That accusation I make me go carry phone, take call, no get say no get waiting the why you tell us Sharon they coma. So but tomorrow, Monica said now Festina be the best mourner. Now he come more pass everybody. Remember Monica, remember Festina go our money very. And when you money say problem is a good thing. Say she mourn her friend for live video where everybody come to see and say they cry. It's a good thing. Now at least Monica still give her award. Say everybody now let she mourn and she be the best mourner. God may I not be the best mourner. God Almighty. Igwaeo. Why? Me, I don't do Ben. I don't do Ben talk. I talk to you direct. Now I can't fear to mention Festina. Me, I fear my way for my Festina. Okay, don't get tired. Not able to go. You swan. You swan. When I really start to severe, one of my sister from my industry, I call her. She's not Festina. Tell her. Even one of our brothers they do comedy. She's not night tell her. Hey, I know verse praise prayer. So it's all good for us to always say the truth. You know why the truth they good? It is good because Saban again boy you are where you just get mind they chest down. And make truth good. You see the way Monica take fool herself for this matter. She and Frank Omozwo good. Omozwo say Sharon forfeit bedroom. That one, I go cut and give police because Omozwo must come cut. Can't tell police Sharon take for bedroom. Thank you. He must come tell police. In fact, let me go by myself, give that Omozwo video to police. Say, this girl where they sue, where they say na hospital right by him. This man say she fall for bedroom. The man they Roma. And they know in village. I know in the name na Iyo born. I be in name. They born her for March 1982. I go give them the details. I'll tell them say this man say the girl fall for bedroom. Mona come ask her. I say I don't see one person where know how to get it. The government go happy at least they don't get clue. Since he get clue, in there. In there when Sharon take for hospital or for bedroom for us, you go tell the police how she take for. Now we all they talk poa. For bedroom. You not count this. You know say case they cut. You go the point they talk rubbish. Person get case, you only you want to talk say you fall for bedroom. Now so they not follow and go piss for toilet. Now so you use your head, now so na easy, na your friend, na easy, na ikpaya. Now so na stress, na ikpaya. And now so that they support the woman. Now so now Una say una be a supporter. Definitely, I'll give them. I'll say, oh, thank God, oh, we don't see person where you know how my friend take go. Who be that? This man, this girl, they say it's here. You see her when she dey fall for bedroom. You know, he fall for bedroom. I don't already screen record all the full page on my phone. Fall for bedroom. What tell me now, woman said. Then you can't tell the word how you take fall for bedroom. When you that you did there, whatever. They say buwa wa zaga. That's why we present our toge. No buwe wa gbon. You want my beg. I tell another, they say we ask them for hospital, say she fall. They say she not fall. But on the Canada, they go say, oh, she fall. Oh, she use her ground. Oh, this one. Hospital get camera. I got a bagbaro camera. I want to rush with ambulance in like theater straight. Wait away a day. On an ambulance move straight. I rush here by the theater. They can't do eyewitness. So. Mona, all those their video where they just say where Monica they talk say na so stress. Mona they tag Carabinieri Radio Emilia for under the comment section. Made they see her. Policia Radio Emilia made they see all those videos. Made they see all of them. The ones where blocks they cut because if you go their page, go comment, they go delete them. But those blocks one they not go delete them. I'll give you tomorrow. I'll give you our police handle for Facebook and for Instagram. We'll tag you and the Monica very frank ni a day. Ni a do so say. When as she take for hospital, when Monica can't tell the hospital, as Sharon take for hospital. The men from Okpamengo can't talk. I take for bedroom for us. Ni a do tie. Girl say. Ina uwa ma say wa toge no ge buwa wa gbon. You know, Buwana, very useless woman, a very useless man, the most useless man on a those cyberspace. We are not zua we no kan zua. Oko no zua we no da fon zua. O da fen widow, working widow Monica. O da fen Monica, da fen widow no. Because Monica right now, she's dead among the living. She's in the land of the dead. Because Monica is communicating with Sharon. So she's in the land of the dead. So automatically, Ambrose is Odafe widow. Dafe widow. Because she do one video, she did communicate with Sharon for the video. She did talk with Sharon. So she's already dead among the living. She did land of the dead. Now she did. So since she did fit communicate with the dead, so she's already in the land of the she did land of the dead already. Oh she Monica Jena. Those man first day alive. Only Moko. That one. Monica for not drive that man since. Now Lolo make her not drive that man. They shame. Lolo and Enogi go say, yeah, wa hope be na ya game the Facebook na manage day for there. Also na ga wele le be fast again. All the only Morocco way this. All the Jamaican boys will be all Morocco all of them. Ya winning them. Ya salu winning them. Pack. So my people, we'll see you now tomorrow. Over you want these days. All the sleep I not sleep for 1 month plus. Now all of the sleep don't come back. I here, but women, it's hard boy. If not soon we want. I'm out here. Awa round one a dead bay. Saban and egg baby on the way soon, Gama. God, I beg you. May that can't see no happen to anybody close to. No pray to experience and say your close friend die. Don't pray. A very bad thing. I hear. How I convey the dead way. How I go atalo. I hear very. Saluba no la no bag ma no bag Osima ya fe no bag gbima. Saluba la no free ave a poppy Monica no free a bondage re because sure we done I will sure. Saluba free from their bondage. Saluba bag ma when my high ave na. Saluba no bag ma no you go gbima. Will sleep like a baby. May God's angels guide and protect you all. I love you all, and I will see you all some other time. I don't know if it's tomorrow. If it's tomorrow, it should be in the morning. I don't know, but I will let you guys know. Please don't forget to follow this page. Don't forget to follow this page. Let's do this together. Don't be worried about Ekobete. Ekobete, Ekobito, Ekosigo, Ekokuku, Ekobiki, Ekozua, Eko nyenyene. Why worry about it? Or Igbofone or lawa. E bingo no. Or is a gbogbo. Or Igbofone or lawa. Maybe or ilawa. Maybe okay lawa. Maybe Abrusi yo wane. Or do gwale we no high by pampas here. Or do babu se pampas okay here. So if we not going ever son, I need no be pampas no that for no zagabagbo. The boy okay, he has boy go need no be pampas in if not be the iPhone was seleke. So wala go. Wagia yesi. Wagie. Oge tama wena. The ye pampas only see agi. Me abroad no me Monica no is when I red light. Only sanga amunia. Ya wo gawa no only sa. Only say gi pampas ojo. Ubere no say je. Amara ye pampas I met stay. Pampas ojo. Eko betejo. Eko bitojo. Eko shiwawajo. Eko bingojo. Pampas ogba. Alright guys, I see you all tomorrow. Today they don't break already. It's after 12. I love you all. A wife to a junkie.